Hello students, take out Standard 6 Social Science Chapter 3, page number 31. Today we will learn the Chalcolithic Age. The period after Neolithic Age when copper was used along with tiny stone implements is called as Chalcolithic Age. This age is also called Copper Stone Age. The word Chalcolithic is mixture of two words, chalcos and lithos. Chalcos means copper and lithos means stone. The word Chalcolithic is a mixture of two words, chalcos and lithos. Chalcos means copper and lithos means stone. In this period, man started using copper, a soft reddish metal, along with stone tools. It was a short 4000 to 2000 BCE, yet an important period in the time of humans because it marked a change from the use of stones to metals. Students, do you know? Copper was the first metal which was discovered by man. Tools. Many tools like axes and knives were made out of copper. As time passed, men started mixing copper with other metals to make stronger tools. Bronze was the next metal to be used. The metal tools and implements were better than stone tools. Plug heads, hoes of metals, could sow, reap and harvest crops in a better way. Sites. Chotnagpur and Gangtok plains are the sites where the remains of Chalcolithic age were seen. Brahmagiri in Mysore and Navara Toli in Maharashtra are some of the sites where copper and bronze implements have been found. Religious belief. Chalcolithic man worshipped the sun god, the sky god, and the earth goddess. Priests sang hymns, and death was still a mystery to them. Students, mystery means puzzle. Settlement area. Except for the alluvial plains and the forested areas, Chalcolithic settlements seems to have flourished in most parts of India. Most of these are rural settlements close to rivers and hills. Inamgaon in Maharashtra is one of the best known Chalcolithic sites. Pottery. The Chalcolithic people used pottery, black on one side and red on the other. The pots were often decorated with beautiful painted designs. Students, see black and red pottery. Turn the page, students. Now we are on page number 32. Animals. The people made use of various animals such as buffaloes, cows, goats, sheep, pigs, deer, and even camels. But these people do not seem to have been acquainted with the horse. Acquainted means make someone aware of or familiar with. Crops grown. The Chalcolithic communities cultivated more cereals than the Neolithic communities. The Chalcolithic people grew wheat, barley, and lentils in western India and rice in southern and eastern India. Students, lentils means a high protein pulse which is dried and then soaked and cooked prior to eating. Some Chalcolithic communities knew spinning and weaving. Case study 1. Mehergarh. Mehergarh is one of the oldest Neolithic sites where women and men learned to grow barley and wheat and reaped sheep and goats for the first time. It is one of the earliest villages that we know about. This site is located in a fertile plain near the Bolan Pass, which is one of the most important routes to Iran and to the west of the Indus River Valley. Mehergarh was discovered in 1974 by an archaeological team consisting of French archaeologist Jean-François Jaguer. These sites were excavated continuously between 1974 and 1986. The earliest settlement at Mehergarh was a small farming village dated 7000 BCE to 5500 BCE. Students, see, this is the picture of Mehergarh. Archaeologists who excavated this site found evidences of many kinds of animals' bones from the earliest levels. These included bones of wild animals such as the deer and the pig. In later levels, they found more bones of sheep and goat, and in still later levels, cattle bones were most common, suggesting that this was the animal that was generally kept by the people. There was no pottery in the earliest days. Instead, the settlers used oven baskets coated with bitumen. From around 5000 BCE, people started making pots of clay. The pottery was simple, handmade, reddish brown in color with geometric shapes painted in black. See, students, pottery from Mehergarh. Around 4000 BCE, a new kind of barley was grown which required irrigated fields. This points to improvements in agricultural techniques. A large granary for storing grains has been discovered. By the beginning of the 3rd millennium BCE, pottery started appearing. There was also a marked increase in terracotta figurine. The size of the settlements increased remarkably. Timber started being used for building houses. Archaeologists find remains of square or rectangular houses. Each house had 4 or more compartments, some of which may have been used for storage. They believed in life after death. Several burial sites have been found at Mehergarh. Students, here are some keywords. Neolithic age means new stone age. Chalcolithic age, the age when men used both stone and copper tools. Domestication, rearing animals for meat, milk, etc. Community, large number of people living together as a group to help each other. Potter's wheel, circular revolving disc on which wet clay is shaped into pots. Terracotta, hard, unglazed, brownish red pottery. Megalith means large stone memorial. Okay students, thank you.